Hey, what's up, Steve here? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 or more every day with a very simple system. I want to show you how it works. Yesterday, I got this in my inbox, and this is just an example of how the system works. So, once you sign up, you can start getting these $100 payments with PayPal every single day. So, this is one of the payments I got with the system. Here it is in my PayPal account. So, I got $100 just for this very simple thing I'm going to show you. So here's what you need to do. You need to go to the link in the description in this video, go ahead and click on it. And then when you click on it, it's going to take you to a page like this. Now, what you need to do is you need to sign up. So go ahead and enter your email, click on send me the free video, and it's going to take you to a page that kind of explains it more. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, enter your email address, click on the button, and that's going to sign you up. It's going to take you to this page. This is me. This gives you a little bit of information about the system. You're going to click here to continue. And then it's going to take you to this page. And this is going to explain a little bit more how it works. But what you need to do is you need to go ahead and click on sign up and go through the process of signing up for your account. So once you do that, you're going to get access to the system. And this is what the membership area looks like. Now you get all these tools to promote the system. And to start getting those $100 payments as you promote, all you need to do is upgrade to be a pro member. It's very simple to do. You can promote it on social media. You can promote it on YouTube. You can run paid traffic. You can run solo ads. So guys, go ahead and sign up, go through the process, get your account going, upgrade to be a pro member, and you too can start getting these $100 payments every single day to your PayPal account. So I can't wait to see you join, and I'll see you on the inside.